we're gonna do a review of this SUMM. This is their Thai basil chicken spring rolls. Got these at Costco, and we've tried their chicken ones before, but this one has Thai basil in it, so we'll see if it's any different. And here we go. Here's the ingredients. You got your filling is chicken cabbage, and the Thai basil. Let's see if it actually says that here. Thai basil. It's not even the top ingredient. Okay, so we'll see. And let's open this up. Okay, so these are what the spring rolls look like, and let's heat it up. Here is the Thai basil spring rolls. Let's try it out. Do a quick taste test here for you. Okay, so the filling is exactly the same as the original, but that Thai basil in there gives it like a special dimension of flavor, and it also adds a little bit of heat to it. It's actually quite good. This is probably their best one. All right, so all right, guys, stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. That Thai basil is like almost having like some extra crunch to it too.